Have you always dreamed of having a side hustle and money coming in every month without you having to work or break your brain over it? Well, you've come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to give you 5 steps on how you can easily set up your YouTube cash cow channel and fully automate it. Just like affiliate marketing or, for example, e-commerce dropshipping, right now YouTube automation is really making a surge, and there's good reasons for it. Because YouTube automation is a super easy business model that doesn't give you a lot of headaches. When I used to be in e-commerce dropshipping, I would always struggle with mad customers, product quality issues, long shipping times and whatnot. But with YouTube automation, you just upload a video once and you don't even create the video yourself. And then this one video can make you money for years to come. And that's why it's so nice. You upload something once and you're basically done with it. There's no issues with the quality control, returns, or customer service. So in this video, I'm going to go over 5 steps how you can easily start your channel. And make sure to stick until the end, because I'm going to give you one secret hack on how you can make the most money out of your YouTube cash cow videos. What things do we need to start our own channel? Basically, it consists of 5 steps. First of all, you need to know which niche you are going to start in. Your niche basically means which target market you are going for and which audience you will be trying to target for your videos. Because you want to try and make an audience that really is in love with your content. Let's say, take for example, the NBA or football or some sort of sports or like a different kind of object. So, or some person that's really big in the world. For example, Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk. You really want to pick a sub niche and stick to this so that the YouTube algorithm understands who you are targeting and who is interested in seeing your videos, because then people will click more and watch more of your videos, which will result in YouTube getting more money from advertisers and you getting more money from YouTube for showing ads on these videos. So I highly recommend you to really take your time to do niche research, because this part is the most important part of your whole YouTube channel. Because you will be working on this for 30 to 60 days when starting out at least. So if you pick a wrong market, you're going to waste 2 months of your time. And obviously a lot of money too, because you will be having a team of freelancers making these videos for you, or you can do it yourself, but then it will cost you even more time. So step 2, you need to write a script for your video. Ideally, your videos need to be 8 to 12 minutes long. The reason for this is being that you can put mid-roll ads on videos on YouTube that are 8 minutes or longer. And these will generate you the most ad revenue, so will make you more money for the views you will get on your videos. The best way to go about script writing is by looking at your competitors' videos and seeing how they build their script. So how does their intro look, how does their context look, and how does their outro look. You want to model after their style, especially if this is a big channel that gets a lot of views, because then you know that this style of script works. These are the words that people in this market want to hear and listen to, so you know you can model after this. Once you start looking for a script, let's take for example, we are in the Elon Musk market. You just go on Google and look for Google news about Elon Musk. You look for articles that write stuff about him or top 10 listicles. And then you can implement these things in your own videos. So this way it's super easy to make a script. If you want to make an 8-minute video, you should have around 1500 words in your script. This is around 8 minutes to 10 minutes, depending on how quick you talk. Now that we have a written script, we need to make a voiceover. So what you want to do is take your script, get a microphone like this one, and then just get a software on which you can record your audio. Or if you hire someone online to do it, you just look for a voiceover artist online. This will cost you around $10 for an 8-minute script. Alright? If you do it yourself, I recommend you getting Audacity. This is an app that records your microphone, and then it's very easy to just write your script with Audacity next to it. And then you can just write a script and record and stop and record and stop and cut out the parts where you're like breathing heavy into the microphone. And it will sound good if you have a good microphone too. So invest in a microphone or spend the money on a voiceover actor online. Alright, third, now that we have a script and a voiceover, we need to put our video editing on it to make it fair use. There's 2 ways you can get video footage for your videos. You can either use existing video content that is available online, make sure to use less than 7 seconds of this existing content so you will not get into copyright issues with YouTube. You can also choose to use images you find online or stock footage from websites to make your videos. To keep the engagement high in these videos, which basically means people stay longer so they see more ads, so you get more views and you get more money. This is something that YouTube really wants. You want to have a very interactive video. So don't show super long shots of like 20 seconds of the same image or video that's super slow. Make sure to have like transitions every 3 to 4 seconds, add add text effects in it, add sound effects in it, and make cool interactions so people stay hooked to your video. Now that we've put the 3 parts together, a script, a voiceover, and a video, we got our full video completed. So now that we have a completed video, we want to go to our YouTube channel and upload it to YouTube. You can just click the upload button, upload your video, give it a title, give it a thumbnail, and put ads on it when you can. When you join the YouTube partner program, you can put ads on your videos. All you need is 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, and then you can start making money from your YouTube videos. And truly guys, it is as easy as that. The only thing you have to decide now is what your niche is gonna be, and if you wanna make the content yourself, basically starting this side hustle for free, or if you wanna hire a team of freelancers online to do the work for you. If you want to outsource the work, I recommend you going to Upwork and hiring people, so a scriptwriter, a voice actor, and a video editor. If you do this, this will cost you around $40 to $45 for a single video created. So if you are on a low budget, do the work yourself. It's very easy to write a script and do a voiceover, and video editing is a bit harder, but if you only outsource this, it's $20 for a single video. That was it for this video, guys. My name's Casper. I'm the owner of Cash Cow Mastery. I teach people how to set up and automate YouTube cash cow channels from 0 to hero. If you are interested in doing this and this is all too hard or complicated for you to understand without a clear vision, make sure to click the link in the description or in the pinned comment. I have a free Facebook group called YouTube Cash Cow Mastery. I'm the owner of that, Casper. I can help you set everything up if you need to. Click the link and we will get you started with your YouTube Cash Cow channel today. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about this whole business model and want to set the first step, click the video you see on screen now. In this video, I will show you how you can find a niche market to start your channel in. Alright, that was it for this video. Click the video you see on screen and see you in the next one.